Hi guys, how are we doing? Phil Kent here with another twice confirmed traffic review and stats update. This is what I've been doing since I joined the program from day one. Twice confirmed traffic, just briefly, is a paid traffic service. It costs $59.95 a month, but you do get a very high amount of traffic for your buck. It's working out around about 200 visits per sort of subscription that you have, if that makes sense. If you want to get more details, please check out my earlier videos and when I go through them. Now, what this video is, this is my stats update video because I'm on day 5. I've not been with it very long. I've been mixing offers around. I've been mixing the amount of links around as well, because you can put unlimited links, but obviously the more links you put in, then that does dilute the amount of traffic you get for each link, if that makes sense. Okay, so I'm starting to narrow it down now. I have been using the confirmation based stats graph, which tells you which sort of programs are trending, which aren't, and things are definitely picking up now. We're getting some leads and I'm getting some tour takers in one of the programs that I'm on. I'll show you a quick little bit of proof of that. What I've done now, I'm sort of narrowing it down, because what you have to do with this type of program, guys, what you have to do is you basically need to be finding out what that traffic audience is looking for, and if you can use that by using that confirmation based stats, by looking at the programs they're getting into and the sort of price point they're looking into. Are they free trials, are they low price point, and stuff like that. And then you sort of work and then mix up the offers until you find what's working. And I'm narrowing it down now. I've got a fairly strong 4. I'm hoping to get it down to sort of 2, 3 at the most, so I get the maximum out of my visits. Now, what we're looking at the moment, what I've basically got, I won't go through them all, but I've got the actual page for twice confirmed traffic. I'm probably going to be taking that out soon because they don't seem to be going for that one from this particular traffic source. Maybe because a lot of people are doing the same thing and they're seeing it too much, who knows. I'm going to give it a run for another day or so, then I'll probably take it out. But there's a couple of programs that I am in that are working quite well, and I'm getting the leads as I'm getting the tour takers as well. Okay, so that's pretty good going. If I just jump over to one of the lists I've got an ICS system here, I can show you that. I'll have to blur out some of the details, but what we're basically looking for is the proving we're getting the stats. And as you can see over here, the last 4 that have come in, they've all been TCT. That's obviously the abbreviation for my tracking, to show that the traffic's coming in from there. I've got some coming in for the PMS as well. I'll show you that. As you can see, I've got another 3 also there, and so I'm getting some tour takers as well. So the stats are doing around about the same. I've worked it out on recently that you get about 200 visitors a day on average. I'm not going to go into all the tracking stats on this particular page. If you check out my previous tracking stats videos on days sort of 1 through to 3 and 4, you'll see me go into Leads Leap. I'm using Leads Leap tracking to do it all. You'll see me go into the Leads Leap tracker, where you'll see that I've got detailed breakdown on working out how many visits I'm getting per URL, and it's around about 200 visits on average. Definitely between 150 and 200 visits a day, not a month, a day, which is, as you know, for any sort of paid traffic service, extremely high. There was a suspicion of some bot traffic, but we've already proved now people are opting in, people are signing up, people are taking tours and stuff like that. So, and this is only on day 5. So what you do have to have with this sort of system, you have to have patience. You have to try your own offers, try your own pages, see what pages are converting, see what pages aren't converting. Some are verifying their emails, some aren't. That's the trouble with double opt-in, especially when using things like Leads Leap. But once you get in the activity, once you're starting to find out what they like and what they work on, you can work it on from there, and you can use the confirmation based stats to help you with updates, posting it live all the time. So the only one I've still got doubts over is the Internet Income System, because I believe that program is shut down. Whether these are still converting, because people do still send paid traffic to these programs and paid traffic to the pages. So if they got paid traffic to the pages that are still opting in, and they get a sale from it, I don't know. But anyway, but the rest of them are obviously all good to go. The PMS, Leads Leap, Live Good, Super Affiliate Funnel, ClickFunnels, System.io, and so forth. So, you know, these are the sort of top 6 or 7 programs. You've also got ClickBank offers. They're quite well-known ones, and you can use these, or obviously you can put your own in as well, because one of my programs is not in that list, and I've got quite a few opt-ins for that program as well. So, you know, you've just got to try the offers, you've got to try different pages to see what works. It is a trial and error, and the only way you're going to do it and get proper results is to use a good tracking service. I highly recommend Leads Leap. You know, it's so easy to track. You've just got a small code on the end. You can see where your leads are coming from. You can see what country they're coming from and everything else. You get a breakdown. That is another good thing about the traffic, by the way. It is mostly tier 1, tier 2 traffic. Majority is tier 1. I'd say 80-90% is tier 1. You're getting primarily sort of US, UK, sort of Canada, very high tier, so good quality traffic. Obviously, you're going to get some mixed in. You're going to get that with any sort of traffic source, but generally speaking, it's a high quality of traffic. And they are opting in. I said the friend who showed it me over the weekend just passed. He had actually 2 sales for it at that point. I don't think we've got any more. I haven't spoken to him recently. Another good friend of mine that I know has also used it. He had sales with it and he showed it to a team member and they got sales as well. So this is something that's passed on. When you get a traffic source that's producing well and getting leads, opt-ins and sales, and obviously we let each other know. Hence what I'm doing. I'll jump onto and make some videos. Live open stats. Now what I am doing, obviously, for anybody that joins me, I've got a sort of bonus for joining. If you join, I've got an ebook bundle package, which is a very good ebook bundle package. I've got 11 different ebooks. They're all sort of make money online for affiliate marketing niche related. They're all good, high quality ebooks, not just sort of free junk you can find anywhere. Anybody that joins me directly into Twice Confirmed Traffic will receive that bundle package as a complete free bonus. Okay, so you're welcome to that. I've got a sort of screenshot of it somewhere. This is one of the books that's not on that one, but I might even throw that in. That's an Instant Traffic Secrets one. If I can find, if I can get out this page, let's have a look. Give me 1 second. Yeah, here we go. Most of the ones that you can see on here, there's about sort of 10, 11. These are all in a bundle, and you'll have direct access to these once you join me directly in Twice Confirmed Traffic. They all sort of make money, so internet marketing, affiliate marketing, niche related. All great books. You can download them. You can offer them as lead magnets. You can offer them as a freebie or even a small sell on them. They do have master resale rights as well. So yeah, do what you like. The only one name I might throw in, I might be off that separately somewhere, is the Internet Traffic Secret. If you join within the next, say, 24-48 hours, I might throw in that one as well, so you'd have about 12. But that's just a bonus purely as a thank you for joining me directly, because obviously there are other people on YouTube and you may look around. But I will always offer a bonus and give you an incentive for joining, and just for watching the video and taking your time. So any comments or questions, guys, drop them on the video below. This is the latest update video. I'm going to do them on a daily basis. Like I said, things are definitely progressing now within the sort of first 4 or 5 days. Initially I wasn't getting anything. Now I'm starting to get leads and sort of tour takers, so I'm starting to narrow it down to which programs are definitely producing better, because some weren't getting any opt-ins, some are now. Like I said, the one that's getting the least amount of results so far is the actual Twice Confirmed Traffic page itself. So I may either just take that out, or I may design a different page for it, something like that, and find that converts. Obviously I'll have that open for team members as well. So that's just about it, guys, for this video. I'm normally trying to do a second video across the day, just covering one of the particular parts for it. Any comments, questions, please drop them below, and if you are finding this video useful, please hit that like button. It will be greatly appreciated. It does help the channel out, and of course if you're not a member yet, then please hit that subscribe button as well, and that'd be much appreciated too. So whatever you're doing, have a great day, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video. Cheers now.